Hey, Mike Dance with Brookside in Austin, Texas. And today I'd like to talk to you a little bit about Mitel and what they offer in the way of a unified communications client that runs on any device, anywhere. And it pretty much looks the same on everything. So it's called Connect. And you've got a little dial pad here, or where you can put in a phone number. And once again, when you're making and receiving calls from the app, the caller ID is your work number, not your cell number, even if you've got it on your mobile phone. You've got the ability to put a quick number or name in there. You've got, it says I'm in a meeting. It automatically reads that off my calendar. It's a desk phone, soft phone, internal assignment number, or external. I mean, we will bring your cell phone. These are all things you can control here. Then you have your own conference here, conference bridge, more or less, where you can join here or you can do screen share. Those are two quick, easy ways to get in there and do a conference. It currently tells me my calls are being forwarded to a certain number, which is very helpful. We also have the ability to see contacts here as well, favorites as well as groups. Here are all our calls, inbound and outbound, and missed and whatever. Here's all our voicemails. Like there's a voicemail from Spectrum right there. You see it comes up and begins playing right away, or if you want it to, I guess. And then what happens is there it is. You just hit play, and up here I see that I've got
Mike, this is Charlie with Spectrum Enterprise. My phone number is 21.
Boom. You can close that out. So you can see that's pretty cool. And then from there, what you've got is the ability, once again, to close these out, to go to something called Teamwork. So Teamwork allows you to be able to, have workspaces, which are projects, very similar to Teams or Slack or things of that nature. And it works, they can work in conjunction with those. It's just something that's free that comes with MiCloud Connect. And it's got like the ability to do file storage. So this is a signed contract for Spectrum for 100 mega fiber for the new clubhouse for Great Hills. And here's the order for the Mitel MiCloud Connect solution that they purchased. So if anybody needs access to these documents or information, they're all put in one place. Up here, you can sign a workspace and be able to begin, tracking all of like project management, things of that nature. Now, you've got the ability to do workplace settings up here and assign and view tasks to different people and dates when they're done and view different media. And then also you can start a conference. Now, meetings is really cool because you click on that. And what happens is it takes us now into basically into the Amazon web, where it has an application Mitel developed that is very similar to Zoom and some of the other solutions like Teams and things of that nature, but it is 100% Mitel. So these are some recent meetings. If I want to start a meeting, I'd click there. It would say Mike's meeting, copy and share. There's the link to where it goes. I would just hit enter and voila, it goes right into a conference call. There I am. Boom. You can see I can enter now. The device, you can kind of fine tune it for the right microphone. I use a S720, which is about the coolest speaker you're ever into pretty much everything. So then I could go enter now, and like I said, I'm into the call. That's as easy as it is to get into a video conferencing call. Copy the meeting link. Invite somebody, copy the clipboard. You just type in who you want to add to it, and then pretty much it's that easy. I'm going to close that out now. Then what we have essentially is that's Teamwork. Then what we've also got with the app is the ability to do web conferencing. So we come in here, and here's a list of scheduled meetings and stuff that I've got going on. I want to say plus, because I want to do a web conference. I could do web. I could also do video with this as well. It's just an overlap of two things. But if we want to say, Mike Dance there, we'd, the time, the date, and then I wanted somebody else to present, the other presenters would be here. And then I think the best part down here is you have an agenda. So you can say Mitel here for, 20, say, Spectrum, Grande, whatever you want to put, carrier, let's just say carrier here. Or 20 minutes, and so on. And then you hit create, and it winds up like it does with most of these, just creating a predetermined document in Outlook that you're able to pass and forward on to whoever you want to be in that meeting. So when you start looking at it, it looks, like it comes up looking, just like this, where you see, Mike Dance. We see 20 minutes is going to be spent on Mitel, 20 minutes on the carrier. All the the other people have to do is click here to join, and they're in. So all this dial-in stuff is all great, but at the end of the day, you're just going to click on that button and you're going to be in. And up here, you're going to add the users that you want, and then you can do screen share and all the things that you need to be able to do a presentation online. That pretty much is it in a nutshell. It's very slick. It's free. It comes with the the Mitel MiCloud solution that is, roughly less than $20 a user a month. It's a lot of technology for less than $20 a user a month. So that includes your lines, that includes everything all in one app. They do have phones that come with it, but you technically don't need a phone. You can do everything from any device, anywhere. It's really slick.